I'm going to share with you Bandlab, which is the app that I use to create my songs, including my intro song, which I want to release on Spotify. Like I said, I recommend this to anyone who wants to make music for the first time and wants to share it with people, just making songs for fun or check out other people's songs. If you want to actually benefit from this commercially and earn money from making your music, you can actually set up a Stripe account and you can earn money from people paying to listen to your songs. And you could do the same thing. You could pay for listening to other people's songs. I only post fun songs on my account, songs I'm not really serious about. Any songs I'm serious about, I usually would want to post on Spotify or another streaming platform, which is this one, my intro song, which I named Senior Pangs. And that one I'm going to be dropping on Spotify and other streaming platforms to actually earn more money from it and actually start doing music professionally. But these other songs I'm probably going to drop out on Bandlab just for fun. They're just mini projects I'm really interested in. I'm going to share this song that I want to put out on Bandlab. It's called Drift Trap. I just named that randomly. I thought that fit the song or the actual sound of the song. So let me just give you a quick snippet of what it sounds like. Yeah, and that's basically just the loop. In Bandlab, another thing is they have different loops. I'll share that with you when we go into the mix at studio. They have different loops that you could use as the background for your songs and stuff. And that's what I really enjoy about. The only thing though is if you want to post it on or you want to release it on Spotify or any other streaming platform really, you have to add other tracks on top of the loops if you plan on using the loops. You can't just put it out with the loops and stuff because that will be copyright obviously, and you have to add some changes to the actual song and stuff because these do belong to someone else, which is Bandlab. So I'm going to go into my editor's studio just to check it out. I'm probably just going to release it as it is because I just like the sound as it is, but I'll show you some of the other parts inside it as well. So there are two places you can go. There's the video mix and then there's the mix editor. The video mix, that's where you make your actual videos with the song that you make. Mix editor is where you really go to actually work on your song, which is where we're going to go now. So you just wait for that to load. And like I said, you can add different tracks on here. You can import tracks from other places. You can import tracks, you can record it with a voice, which I did before. You can, if you have any other instruments, you could connect it to your phone or to your computer if you do use this for computer. You could hook it up there and you can put the sound on your track. They have different loops and they also have different MIDI files that you use, which I've used before, plenty of. So this is what I've done so far. This is the loop. It's called Sinister Trap Evolved. And then the track that I used was just my voice, which is, me saying just, hey, oh, how's life? So this is what I have so far. I'm probably just going to save this. And then if you go over here to view details, you can publish it. You can, copy the link and download it to share with other people. You can view your project history. And the good thing about this is that even if you don't like how something's done in the current track, you can always go back to how it was before and then make little changes and still retain the data that you had before. So you could also add collaborators on here. So you could collaborate with other people on Bandlab to work with your song. If you want to, you can. So you could collab with friends, other people, share ideas and stuff. So for now, I'm going to publish this song. And then you could write something in the description. You can connect it to a certain genre. For me, I'm going to probably just connect it to hip hop because that's, to me, kind of what it sounds like. And I'm just going to write a simple song to listen to while driving. I don't know. You could put something randomly. Like I said, this is really just for fun. I don't really take it too seriously while driving. It isn't something I take seriously when I put music on Bandlab, because I really just want to focus on having fun and creating new ideas and listening to other people's stuff and connecting with them. If it was like with my intro song, of course I want to put that out for like to be a professional like artist and stuff and for other people to listen to it. But while I'm on Bandlab, it's not really that competitive. It's just chill and fun. So this is what I wrote. Then afterward, there are other additional settings. You know, if there's any explicit content, then you would mark it down there. If it's unlisted, then you could put it on there. For now, just put it as unlisted, which means it'll be public, but, you know, it won't be in actual, like, other people's feeds. But, you know, I don't mind that much. So I'm just going to publish it over here, wait for it to publish. And then once it does, other people can listen to it. And also I can take it off unlisted so other people can. So yeah, I just published that song, and that's basically all there is to it with Bandlab. In my other video, I'll talk about how to upload it onto Spotify once I actually release my own song, because like I said, this is the first time I'm doing it. So once I figure that out, I'll be able to share it with other people. But anyways, that's it for today's video. It was relatively short. I just wanted to share how Bandlab works for other people who are interested in it. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click that notification button down below to stay updated, because trust me, it is a lot. If you have any other questions or would like to just say anything at random, I really don't mind. My TikTok is down there below, my TikTok handle. And you could connect with me on there, ask any questions you have. If you have any suggestions, you could just list it down there. But otherwise, stay fun, stay cool, stay yummy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!